Okay, welcome back. Electrical Principles, Session 5, okay. Well, hang on, I should make that. Let me change that looking, sorry. No, it should be part 5. This should be, take me out, part 5. Part 5, yeah. Okay, that's it for me. Okay, good. If I recall, it's a continuation from the other sections of principles that I've done already, okay. Hang on a second, let me just go back a little bit. Let's modify this here a second. Yeah, leave it as is. It's okay, I'm trying to change something up and it hasn't come out the way I thought, so it has to follow on from one part to another. So we're continuing with electrical principles, okay? And we are looking at parallel circuits part 3. I call it part 3, okay? One second. There we are, okay. Yes, let's get on with it now, okay. That's just the revision part of it, okay? Let's see if we need to go on any further. Okay. No, we don't, okay. Moving it down. Okay. And you've covered a lot of that already, okay. Here we have series parallel circuits, a combination of series and parallel circuits, and here you have your parallel function, and when you evaluate these two resistors, it will then be 1, 2, 3 resistors in series, okay? But you must evaluate these two resistors first. Always evaluate the resistors in parallel in order to complete your circuit. It is usually best to deal with the parallel part of the network first and reduce it to effectively a single resistor. Okay, same thing. Okay. Equivalent circuit in a series parallel network. Okay, so here you have this circuit here becomes this circuit here. Okay, so be aware of that, and that is something you must be able to do by hand. And if you don't understand it, write it out, put pen to paper. Pen to paper, okay? Those can be connected in a number of ways, usually in series or parallel, or they can be connected in series parallel, okay? And here we're just giving you a variation of cell connected in series, okay? Terminal voltage or resistors are added up in series, and so are the voltages, okay? Okay, just trying to make sure that it's in view, both top and bottom. Okay. Parallel connection of cells. Okay. Okay. I'm just looking at something here. Okay, just trying to figure out what it was. Okay. So I'm just trying to clear something I saw on here that gave me cause for concern, but I couldn't figure what it was. So I've cleared it now, thank you. Okay. Parallel connection of cells. Rotative cells are not added together but stay the same as in a single cell. To work out the value of internal resistance, it is necessary to add up the resistors in parallel the same way as before. Okay. Let me just make sure I've got this in 1 second. Let me move him over. So we got, make sure we got it in view, full view. Okay. Bring this back as well and move you over. Okay. I hope you find this useful. Okay. And have a good day. Bye bye for now.